already in my head thinking about repurchasing this wig. Like, you guys can't tell me that this isn't growing out of my scalp. You guys, so we're jumping straight into today's wig review. Today I am going to be reviewing another wig from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. You guys, I am so in love with this collection just because of the hairline that they have on these units. Alright you guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing another wig from the Outre Melted Hairline series. If you guys have not seen my other review of the Kamaya wig, definitely make sure that you check her out. I really did like that unit. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Seraphine, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is what the stock card looks like, and I wanted to try a natural color first with this unit just because I wasn't for sure how it was going to come out, and I also wanted to compare this unit to the Sensational Curls Kinks & Co wig, the angel face wig, the wig that I think is the best synthetic wig ever. So definitely make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this video where I compare this wig to that wig because those wigs are kind of similar styles. But today we're going to talk about Miss Seraphine, and I'm just going to go ahead and take her out the box. I'm going to take Miss Seraphine out the box. Now I'm trying so hard not to be so messy in this resort bathroom because I'm not trying to clean up too much. So just taking the net off and removing the plastic. Alright you guys, so straight out the box, she is giving me a strong like synthetic smell. I'm not feeling the smell. I wish I would have brought some oil sheen. I might actually go to the store and get some just to spray something on it just so that way it's not having that harsh smell. But just looking at her, it just reminds me so much of Kamaya. Like, I love the hairline. You guys, they pre-plucked the hairline on these units, and it's so helpful just for those that are new to wearing wigs and you are kind of nervous about actually plucking and not wanting to over pluck. They do a phenomenal job with this hairline. Do you guys see that lace? Do you see the lace? Like, when they say melted hairline lace, like, they meant everything that they said about that. That was one of my favorite things that I liked about Kamaya is the lace. So you guys, look how transparent this lace is. I did pick up a new stocking cap, so we're going to play around with that and see how I want to actually do that. But on Miss Seraphine, we do have we have two? So we do have 2 combs in the front for security in the front. We also have a comb in the nape area, and she also does come with adjustable straps. And y'all, my favorite part about this unit is the elastic band. You guys already know I'm all about saving your edges as much as possible, and just because I got some fresh braids, I don't want to put any combs in, so we're going to try to lay this unit down with just using the elastic band. Okay you guys, so just looking at her, she does feel super soft right out the packaging. I'm just lightly running my fingers through her, and I'm not getting any shedding. Oops. Okay, we got a couple of strands right there. Not for sure if y'all can see them. Y'all see them? But I did get a few strands just now. Yeah, so I am getting a few strands. Hopefully it's just a few strands and not a lot. The other wig that I did get from this collection, the Liana, I actually did not even post my review on her because I just didn't like her so much, and I didn't want to discourage you guys so much for not posting Liliana. But out of this Outre Melted Hairline collection, Liliana is not my favorite. Like, she is not my favorite, and that is the one that's the crimpy wavy one. I literally wore her for a couple of days, and yeah. So okay, so I did pick up Miss Seraphine in the color 1B. I just wanted to make sure, and this is what the stock card looks like. She also does come in a variety of colors: golden honey, cherry, cinnamon hazel, ginger brown. She comes in all of these colors. I actually wanted to pick up the ginger brown color, but it was out of stock when I was looking for it. And these are just more pictures of the colors that it comes in. This was the original color that I was trying to pick up, but she was out of stock. So if I really do love this unit, I am going to actually try to find the other color. But today we are working with 1B. So you all, I'm not going to adjust the straps anymore. I'm going to leave them the way they are. And I'm just going to pop her on so we can get an initial feel of how Miss Seraphine looks. Ooh, oh, yes. Okay now. All right. Yes. Y'all, she feels super, super lightweight, and I'm loving that. And y'all, I just love how flat. Look how flat my wig is sitting, and we don't even have her laid down. So you guys, if you know somebody, a hairstylist, a friend, or anybody that can really just braid your hair down, I suggest you do it, because it just makes installing your wigs a whole lot more smoother. Like, it just looks super duper flat already, and I don't even have her laid down. But you guys, look at this lace. Do you see the lace? Do you see the lace? Like, y'all. And I don't even have a wig cap on. But I am going to tint the lace just because this lace is a little too light for my skin complexion, and I do want to leave a little bit of lace in the front to just help with the laying down process. So the lace is definitely very transparent. If you are a lighter or a darker complexion, you are able to actually manipulate this. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, like I always do, I'm gonna throw my wig cap on, add some makeup to the wig cap, add some makeup to the lace, and then we're gonna get into the full lay down process and get into the specs if I really like Miss Seraphine or if I don't like her. I don't know, you guys. She might have Miss Angel. so here are the final results of Miss Seraphine. Now I am going to get close, that way you guys can see the entire hairline and what we're working with up front. And I am going to step back some so that way you can actually see how long she is falling on me. I am about 5'1", so I am going to turn around so you guys can actually see how long she is on me, and then give you guys a close-up of the hairline, and then we're going to get into the pros and the cons about this unit. This is all the hair to the front, and I'm just going to throw it to the back real quick. Don't mind my counter, y'all, like... Hey there, didn't see you there. How you doing? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Yes. So my pros that I have for Miss Seraphine is definitely the luster and the texture of the unit. It doesn't feel like a yaki texture, but it doesn't have that plasticky synthetic feel either. It's kind of like a nice blend between a nice yaki texture and a synthetic texture. It is very, very soft. That's one thing that I really do like about this unit, is how soft it is. That's one thing that I did like about Kamaya, but for some reason Seraphine feels like she's a lot softer to me, in my opinion, than Kamaya. If you guys have tried Kamaya out, definitely let me know down below in the description box, but I personally think Seraphine is a whole lot softer than Kamaya. I really love that about her. Of course, I love the lace. I love the parts. And the only thing that I don't like about the parting space is that it's not a full 13x4 frontal. You just have the lace from ear to ear, and then the lace in the middle of the part. But yes, other than that, I really do like the lace. I like how they pre-plucked the lace. I didn't have to pluck anything at all whatsoever with this unit. I literally just cut the baby hairs and did the baby hairs on this unit. Another thing that I do like about this unit is that it's very lightweight. For it to be a long unit, it's not heavy at all, and I really do like that. I like the density of it. It's not too thick, but it's not super thin either. So I really like that about this unit. I do like the layers. I like that they gave us some layers. I wish it was a little bit of shorter layers, like about this much at the top, just to give that nice body, like right here in the front of the face. But I do like the layers. I appreciate the layers. I like the security with the elastic band. That's my favorite part about this unit, is the elastic band, because I feel like if you don't want to wear the combs, you don't have to. You really are secure. And y'all know I always gotta show you guys that the wig is not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. Where's my spray? Where's my spray? I must put it in this bed. And to help lay my wig down, I did use the olive oil spray along with some Ghost Bond glue and the Got2b glue gel. I used all of those to actually lay the wig down, so it's not going anywhere at all. It's not going nowhere, not going nowhere. So my cons that I have for Miss Seraphine is she tangles and she sheds. Like, out the box, it sucks. But I mean, she is a long unit, so I do expect to have some tangling in the nape area just because she's a long unit. And I'm getting lots and lots of tangles in the nape area through the ends with this unit straight out the pack. I'm not really a big fan of that, but I expected it just because it is a long unit and it's synthetic. It's gonna really tangle, but just because it's synthetic. But yeah, so she does tangle. She does shed when I run my fingers through it or when I brush through it to get the tangles out. She does shed. It's not excessive, but it is a few strands. So I just want to be honest with you guys, let you guys know she is tangling and she is shedding. But other than that, I really do love the unit. I do think it is probably one of my favorites. Now, I do have another unit that I have to show you guys from this collection. It is a shorter unit, so I'm excited about that just because it's shorter. But yeah, so far, I mean, I like her. I'm not gonna say I love her just yet, but I really do like her. I wish I had my styling tools because I should have put her in a ponytail or something for you guys. But you definitely can be very versatile with her. You can wear her over to the side. You can shift the wig and actually do different parts, side part, middle part. You can pull her up and do a half up and half down. I might do that later, but right now, I just want to give you guys my initial review for her. Ooh, I keep moving her all over the place. Ouch. I don't know if I like her on the side or if I like her more in the middle. You guys let me know in the comments below if you like her to the side on me more like this, thrown over, or do you guys like the middle part better? Y'all let me know down below in the comments which ones you like better. But personally, I would give Miss Seraphine a nice 8 out of 10, and the 8 out of 10 is because of the shedding and the tangling. But yeah, if it wasn't shedding and tangling, like, it really would be a 10 out of 10. Like I said, the wig is super, super soft. The lace is beautiful. It's the best part to me about the whole entire unit besides the elastic band. It's definitely a beginner-friendly wig. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly wig that is affordable, definitely make sure you check out the links down below in the description box and grab Miss Seraphine from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. Like, I really am, other than that, I really am feeling her. I'm really feeling her. I'm definitely going to be wearing her for a couple of weeks and see how she holds up. And you guys also don't forget to stay tuned to part 2 of this video where I compare her to the Boss Babe wig. I still have been rocking that wig on and off as well, so definitely make sure you stay tuned to that video because I really want to see, I want to compare both of these wigs because they're both about the same length and the same style, so I just want to see which one is better. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I don't really have nothing bad to say about her. I really would suggest purchasing Miss Seraphine if you are looking for something cute and versatile, something that is affordable and beginner friendly. If you are new to wearing wigs, I really would suggest going to grab her, especially if you just need something temporary. Like I always say, your synthetic wigs will last as long as you take care of them. So Alright you guys, so it is the next morning and I had to come up here and give you guys a quick little mini update on Miss Seraphine, y'all. So I reapplied my wig this morning and I did not do the bald cap method. My wig cap is actually sitting this far back on my head, and you guys, I just have to come up here and show you guys, like, this hairline is the bomb, okay? Now, I know it's picking up a little bit light right here on camera, but in person, you guys, this wig looks like it's growing out of my scalp. So I really just had to come up here and show you guys this clip of me showing you how it looks since I reapplied it. And I did cut some more lace right here off of the ear tab, so this is my real hair right here showing. But you guys, yes, still the review is still the review, but I had to just come up here and show you guys real quick that this wig is popping. This wig might actually be my favorite wig. We'll see how it holds up for a couple of weeks. I don't know, I'm already in my head thinking about repurchasing this wig. Like, you guys can't tell me that this isn't growing out of my scalp. You can't tell me, you can't tell me. And look at it, I mean, would you guys think this was synthetic? Just looking at it. Would you really think it was synthetic? Like, y'all, I reapplied it, no ball cap. Literally, all I did was put a smidget of got-to-be glue on the edges, did some slight baby hairs, and this is what we got. The lace is speaking for itself. The wig is speaking for itself, you guys. Alright you guys, that is all that I have for this wig review of the Outre Melted Hairline Wig Seraphine. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to drop me a comment down below of your thoughts on this unit if you guys loved it. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe and turn those post notifications on so that way you are notified when I upload a new video. And of course, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.